Hey guys, it's Adrian from RideEasy here, helping you ride longer and harder. I'm here again in my gym and we're testing the RideEasy for hopefully really the last time. So this is the golden sample that's been provided to me. There's been like very small tweaks, like we've improved the logo a little bit and we've like just polished up some parts to make sure that it doesn't cut the fingers. So in manufacturing, we have to test, we call this the golden sample. And after I make sure that this works, I will say to the factory, hey, this is the golden sample. Whenever you manufacture, everything needs to be manufactured to this standard. So after this one last test, if it passes, then this is the standard I will ask the factory to manufacture to. So let me show you what the product is doing or how the product is doing. So here's the product with 70 kilograms. It's up in the air and it's up in my gym rig. And this has been going on, this has been hanging for about 35 minutes or so, and it's still working great. So in terms of strength for the golden sample, this passes with flying colors. Okay, so I've just taken the product off. I want to test the retractability to see if it still works. And it still works great. It's really good. So as you can see, the product works really well. So I'm now going to ask the factory to manufacture to that standard. That's really good news. So hopefully we can send the product out to you guys soon. If you don't know, we started our own Instagram channel. Please follow us on Instagram. Our name is RideEasy Snow Sports, all one word, R-I-D-E-E-A-S-Y, Snow Sports, S-N-O-W-S-P-O-R-T-S. And like and subscribe to our YouTube channel also. We're going to post a lot of content out there for this upcoming season. So I'll see you guys on the slopes. Stay safe.